Hello, young inventors, and in today's project, we will be making a Twilight Tunebox, which is a musical box that responds to the light around it. So what we're going to use to make it is we'll use a special thing called the LDR, which is light dependent resistor, to detect light, and when it gets dark, our Tunebox will automatically play a little melody using a buzzer. So let's get started. So the first things first, what you need for today's lesson is your Arduino, one active buzzer, the one that looks has a chip behind it. It's not covered. It's an active buzzer, and LDR, of course, a breadboard, and a resistor, which is 33 kilo ohms. Okay, let me just read it for you. So 33 kilo ohms right here, and then let's test it. There you go, 33 kilo ohms. And you have it in the box, and you're going to use what I've previously taught you. So use the resistor chart to figure out which one is it. 33 kilo ohm resistor for you. And then you're going to need some uh, jumper wires. Okay, so let's break down uh, what's going to happen and what the things are. So LDR is basically a, as I said before, a light dependent resistor. That means its resistance changes based on the light that it's receiving. So in darkness, its resistance will increase. We cover it, it will increase, and otherwise it has a lower resistance. So we're going to use this change and read this change as an analog input into the Arduino, and we'll use that to control our buzzer. So basically, it includes two things. We're gonna learn how to use our buzzer, and then we are going to, and first, for that, we're going to learn how to use the LDR. Okay, so let's move on and make its circuit. So here's how the circuit will work up. First, you're gonna put your LDR in, doesn't matter which direction. It just I'm using the brake here, and we're going to power it up with our 5 volts from the Arduino. There it is. And I'm gonna connect this here, and I'm gonna power the whole this power rail for 5 volts. So 5 volts is here. Okay, 5 volts. And then I'm going on the other side, and I'll connect this one, the other side of the power rail, to ground. Okay, ground is here. And now I'm gonna wire my resistor here, and I'm gonna put it in the same row as the LDR. And then I'm gonna go across here. The second point in this row doesn't matter. And then we're going to use this output here, the other side, as an input to the Arduino, which is an analog input. So we'll put it in A0 here, A0. And then other side of this resistor, we're going to ground. Okay, now that what remains is we're going to power our buzzer. So positive side, gonna place the buzzers same way. Positive side, positive side here. We're going to power that into the Arduino in pin 9, 8, and then 9. And then we're going to ground the other side. So that's our circuit complete, and let's get on to the code. I'll give you the code and I'll just briefly explain it here. Okay, okay, so let's get on to the code. So first we are initializing the LDR pin, which is A0. Then we're initializing the buzzer pin, which is pin number 9 here. A0 is, and then we're going to set it up as pin mode. The buzzer pin, which we initialized here, is 9, and we're using that here as an output. And that's all we're going to need. And this here, serial 9600, is what we'll use to read the values, which come here in the serial monitor. Okay, so now let's move on. Void loop is the one that plays continuously. Then, so light value is what we need for the light value. So this is what comes from the LDR. So we're using the command analogRead as, and the pin that we're reading is LDR pin here, LDR pin, which is A0. And then we're going to print our light value for our reading into this serial monitor here. So now we're using an if condition. An if condition means that if this is happening, then do that. So here we're using our light value. So we have a light value which changes based on what how much light the LDR is receiving. So light value here less than 40 means that if at some point the light value goes below 40, so if we shut down the light and the light value goes below 40, then we're going to play the tune. Otherwise, if it's above 60, so this is not happening, so this means else, there will be no tone. Won't be playing the buzzer. The buzzer will be quiet. And then we're going giving it a delay, and the function here that we used, play tune, we're defining it here in this void play tune. So you don't need to worry about this. This is just a song that I've made with using AI, of course. So ChatGPT, I'm using ChatGPT to give me the notes for a song that you'll hear once I connect it. So this is just a song. So buzzer values are changing and it will give you a different note for each value here. So let's connect our Arduino here. It is connecting. We're going to clear the serial monitor. Okay. And look at that. It's giving us some values which are 55, 54, and keeps on giving us some values. So these are the values that are coming from the LDR. And now if we cover our LDR, like so, the value changes and goes below 40. And now it's playing a tune. If you can hear it. Okay, connected something. Okay. It goes here. And if I cover that again, it plays a light. It plays Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Once this code is run, and now that I've removed my finger from the LDR and it's getting red light again, it will stop playing that tune. So I'm just gonna put my headset here, and then when I come back, I'll switch off the lights and it'll start playing as you see, and you'll hear the notes. All right, so that's our project called the LDR or the Twilight Tunebox. So what did we learn today? we learned that LDRs change resistance with light, and then that L when they get more light, the resistance is lower, and when there is no light, like in darkness, the resistance increases. Then we used analog inputs to measure this change, that the resistance that was changing, by turning it into a value. And we also used, by the way, a voltage divider uh, with the resistor setup that we did. And then we used an active buzzer that can be controlled using code to make a tune. And we use that, and by making use of these commands, the tone command and then the delay command, and we played music with that. So my challenge to you now is that you are going to change the tune by making a song that you like. And don't forget to complete your worksheet and submit a video of your Twilight Tunebox in action. Right, see you in the next lesson, guys. Until then, keep inventing.